Hello, homemakers. It's Mrs. Mingo. Welcome back to my channel. Those of you guys who are new, hello. My name is Tracy Mingo, and this channel focuses on biblical homemaking and what the Word of God says how a godly wife should be. So I am going to be taking you guys along with me. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of supplies, and do not mind me. I'm just snacking on some Cheez-Its while I get to work. But today I am doing a DIY for the first time. I'm trying to start off with something easy. I'm making a file holder for my husband. I am taking you guys along with me. So let's get started. All right, homemakers. So I got on my stickers for the design. I got these boards I'm going to be using to put together to make the file holder. And then I also have some super glue. And if that'll work, then I also have wood glue, which is really, really strong. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to stick two of these boards together. I'm going to super glue them together. And this is going to be the bottom of the file, I guess, so I just need that to be really strong. So like in case there's something heavy in there, it can have as much as support. I don't want it to be too thin. So that's why I'm doubling it for the bottom. And this is my first time. So let's see how long this lasts. I'm sure you guys see the end result in the thumbnail, but it did turn out really, really nice. But I am praying that this lasts a while. All right, so I'm putting some super glue, but I'm also gonna use the wood glue. I don't know anything about combining glue, but I feel like it's gonna make it stronger. So I'm gonna use both the super glue and the wood glue. All right, so now that those two boards are super glued together, I do have these stickers, these design stickers. I'm gonna use them to stick it on the bottom because this is gonna be literally the bottom of the file holder where like you put the files on top. And so I don't know, I feel like the brown on the bottom, it looks more professional, I guess you could say. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, that is so beautiful. I'm doing good so far. So now that that's done, I'm going to do the sides. And this was a 2-day job, y'all, because I had to make sure that a certain portion of it was dry enough for me to do the other section, because I didn't want to do it while it's wet and then it just breaks apart. You guys will see what I mean. But I'm gonna put the side boards on. I'm gonna super glue it on, and yeah, let's do it. All right, guys, so I'm going to do the other side, and I'm going to let this air dry all night. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day. As you guys can see, it's really coming along very well. It air dried very, very good. So far, it's very sturdy. And so now I am going to be doing everything else. So I should be done today. I'm going to do the top, the back, and then I'm going to put the stickers on right after. So right now, I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. But I think I'm just going to put this on top. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I did let that top part dry for about 20 minutes, and I'm going to do the back part now. And I realized I have to cut a piece of the board. So as you guys could see, I'm using a Sharpie marker to outline where I'm going to cut. And do not mind the knife. I'm going to be using the knife. I have nothing else. I'm going to be going back and forth with the knife and scissors to see if I can really cut this, because these boards are really, really tough. Okay, so I cut it. It was really tough and it took me a while, but I got it done. Now I'm going to glue the back piece together. Okay, so I did let that dry for 20 minutes, and so far it's looking very, very sturdy, which I love. And now that the assembly is done, I'm going to design the file holder. Okay, so now I'm gonna add these blue stickers. These are design stickers. My husband loved the pattern. He said it was very masculine, so I'm going to put them around the file holder. Let's go. Alright, so I did end up using some glue because I feel like it was not sticky enough, but with this glue, I can reassure myself that it will last a while because that glue is strong. All right, ladies, so this is the last of it. Thank you so much for watching. The results came out really good. Great for a first timer, and look at this, very, very sturdy. My husband is already using it and he loves it. As you can see here, he's already using it for files. But thank you so much for watching, ladies. Have a blessed day.